Hi, Connor. Good morning. Can you say good morning? Oh, it's a cough. It's not good morning. Can you say good morning to Mama? Good morning. Look at that face. Smiles. Are you playing on your high chair? Did Auntie Jen get you the high chair? Say yeah. And I love it. You want to read our book? Let's read our book. Ready?
Let's count some farm friends. Sing with me. Count a cow and hear a moo. Count some yellow duckies too. Pigs and sheep and other friends. Counting fun just never ends.
Yay!
Animals love rain and sun. Count them one by one. There is one cow.
You like this? What does the cow say?
Moo.
Moo. What does the cow say? Moo.
See two ducks. Quack, quack.
Quack, quack.
Ducks like to go splish, splash.
Just like Cotton got in the bathtub.
Animals are big and small. Can you count them all?
Can you? How many piggies?
3 silly piggies.
3 piggies.
Oink, oink, oink.
Oink, oink, oink. Do it. Oink, oink, oink. Oink, oink, oink.
Look for smiling sheep. Bah.
You can make this noise really well. Bah. Do it. Bah. Bah. No, not now. You did it earlier. That's why I got the video camera out.
Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Yay! All right. Say hi, Grandma. Hi, Grandpa. Hello. Okay, the end.